Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Apple Maps and picking where you start. Drop a pin or use your current location. Once you have the start, tap directions and choose drive, walk, or transit. This sets the routing algorithm. You then add your first waypoint by long pressing the map or tapping an address and choosing Add Stop. This creates the building blocks of your custom route. As you do this, the app recalculates. Make sure to watch the preview line to confirm direction and travel mode. Next, you add and refine the middle of your journey by inserting multiple stops. Tap Add Stop for each location you want. Once stops exist, reorder them in the list to control sequence. Drag a stop up or down, because order changes the route. You can also drag pins on the map to snap to specific streets, which is useful when mapping complex turns. Use satellite or terrain view to confirm road continuity. This helps avoid private roads or dead ends that could break your planned route. To finish, save or share your custom route with the Share button so you have a backup. Then press Go to start turn-by-turn guidance. While navigating, monitor prompts and pause to edit stops if traffic or closures force a change. If the route fails to calculate or drops a stop, first toggle mobile data or Wi-Fi and try again. If that does not work, quit and relaunch Maps, then re-add the offending waypoint. Doing this clears temporary cache or connectivity issues and usually fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.